Hello everybody, Fixer Daddy here. Welcome to my channel again. Looking to replace this three-part faucet which in the kitchen. These are separate. The hose goes through here to spray the water. It's a really old Delta model, corroded here, so I wanted to get a new one installed. I didn't want to kind of cover the holes up. I thought I'll get something that is a three-hole model here, and that's what I purchased. I'll show you what I did, but in general, if you leave it like this, the o-rings underneath here that go in here in this plastic part, it's a very custom Delta part, are that they're gone, so they really leak water if I keep it straight. That's the reason why I have it hanging for the last 2 days. I ordered a much more modern kind of kitchen faucet from Amazon, and I'll put the link to that as well in the video. But I want to replace this, and the soap dispenser. I think the biggest thing they tell you is removing an existing faucet, which is really tight and screwed. So I'm gonna go check that out under the sink here. I'll give you a move this. Here's the sink, guys. There was a little bit of a leak from the handle up there, and I need to remove all the screws, these 3 connectors that you see, especially the 2 ones for water. And so the goal would be to get those unscrewed, and including the soap dispenser over there, and then replace it with the new one. Let me show you guys the new one that I just got. It's a pretty simple one from Amazon. Hodis is the name of the company, and I have it opened up right here on the carpet here, connecting all the wires. So the first thing would be to remove the existing one and then replace it with a little more modern looking kitchen faucet here. So we'll be back after we go through the removal of the existing faucet. Alright guys, I'm back. First things first, to remove it, we gotta shut off the hot water and cold water supply. So that's my hot water. As you can see, the white hose there goes to connect to the faucet. This one goes hot water, supplies hot water to the dishwasher over there, which is to the right. And this is cold water. This one's not a screw, it just kind of goes to the side, and that should shut off the water. This one needs to be nice and tight, so we know that it's stopping the water. Next thing is the screws that I showed you up top, kind of sneaking in here. I'll have to probably remove all of this, which I put to the side, and then supplies in there, and then go from there and try to unscrew the existing faucet and the control stem. So I'll be back with that. Guys, the hard part, as you can see, this is the control assembly, where the control lever, and this is the actual hose. So I've taken out the hose, it's hanging down here. This nut is very tight. I haven't gotten in there. This one was pretty easy. It's a different setup where this plastic thing screws onto the control lever, and then just kind of put some, this was straight, you move it like that and then unscrew it, and this should start unscrewing from the top. I can't get a good wrench in there because of all this, so I'm gonna take this out first, and then maybe get some room here to unscrew this main one, the hose assembly, and then I'll just disconnect these here. So let me do that, and I will be right back. But this was the key here, to create some room unscrewing this part for the control handle lever. Thank you, and be right back. Okay guys, here is the final version. This holds pretty bad here. It had some metal piece holding on, really old school way of doing things. So I'm gonna just maybe rub it down with some soap and clean it up. The other two holes look pretty good, decent. So I'm gonna start installing the new one now. I'll show you how I actually unscrewed this. There's not enough room here. If you have the same issue, I would actually use the wrench in a vertical fashion. So let me show you. Ashi, can you pass me that wrench, the silver one again?
Yep. There you go.
So as I showed you the spring previously, the spring, the nut, I held it like this, really moved it anti-clockwise to loosen it, and then I had somebody from the top just start unscrewing it while I held it, because moving here, really, as you can see, not enough room. So just loosened it a little bit, full force, and then had somebody from the top unscrew it. So let me clean this up, and we'll continue installing the new faucet. Hey guys, again, similar black nut that came with it. Have connected this. These two hot cold are hanging. Tightened it, and should be good to go. And then I'm gonna connect this wire coming from the water dispenser hose into here. The other side of that goes here, but I have to connect the weight about here that will keep pulling this wire down. That's a weight that pulls it back down when you extend the hand sprayer. So that's the plan. Let me do that, and I'll be looking at then connecting the water supplies in a bit. Okay guys, so looks like we have a problem with the connectors. The cold water connector, as you can see here, is female, and the one that comes with the thing is also female. So I gotta get an adapter, in between adapter for this. I'm gonna have to go to the local hardware store and get it. Once I have basically a male to male adapter this size and this size on one side, see if I can find it. They do provide this with the kit, but the problem is this male female. I need male male based on my setup, so I'm gonna go get one, and then we'll connect this. The project's almost complete. We got the water running. Here's the adapters I got from Home Depot. I were built. This is 3/8 inch to 1/2 inch male to male, OD to MIP. I don't know what that means, but it's both sides male, so it actually fit right there. You can see the adapter in between the gray and the silver thing right here. That's the adapter. Connects. This is the 3/8 inch. This is the 1/2 inch on this side, connecting to the water supply. This is connecting to the supply for the from the faucet. You can see the same on the other side. So I generally put thread sealant, and on top of that I put plumber's grease, which I will show you. Again, this is again a Home Depot product, plumber's grease. I use this to on top of the thread sealant. The thread sealant is, here's that tape. And this is the thread sealant I used. Just picked it up from Home Depot on my way. It's called PTFE thread seal tape. So put that on the male threads on the adapter, and cover it with the plumber's grease, and it holds it nice, goes all the way in nice and tight, as you can see. And the water has been running, and let's see, turn it back on please. There you go, the water is running, the pull-out thing is working, and looks like it's all good. And now we'll connect the third hole. As you can see, there is the soap dispenser. We'll connect that, and we'll be ready to go. Guys, here we go, the 3-hole water faucet, kitchen faucet is ready to go. We just connected the soap dispenser, that's working too. You can see the underside of this here, all the weight, they're pulling the hose down, and everything else there. So we are good to go. Maybe also you can see the soap dispenser. Let me move the phone. There you go. And the the soap dispenser is good as well. No need to show that. No. Okay, and then the water is working as we saw before, so the looks more modern and we're getting rid of the old one, gunky. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, any questions, put those in there as well, and thank you so much.